Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for honest, in-depth product breakdowns. And today, we're diving into what we consider the best hard-sided top-load small cat carrier on the market right now. The Pet Magasin hardcover collapsible cat carrier. This carrier is built with a unique hybrid design that combines the sturdiness of a hard-sided kennel with the flexibility of a soft one. At 17 inches long, 14 inches wide, and 13 inches high, it's perfectly sized for cats, small dogs, rabbits, or other compact companions, making it ideal for vet visits, travel, or a quick trip around town. What stands out immediately is the hard top and base. These rigid components give your pet a secure shell for protection during transport, while also providing a firm, stable platform to stand or sit on. It's the type of construction that gives both you and your pet peace of mind, sturdy, durable, and made to last. Now, what makes this carrier especially clever is its collapsible design. The soft sides fold inward, allowing the entire carrier to zip into a flat, compact form, no bigger than the two hard pieces sandwiched together. This means storage is absolutely hassle-free. Slide it under a bed, tuck it into a closet, or even store it in the trunk of your car without it taking up precious space. The mesh door up front is not just for ventilation, although airflow is excellent. It also gives your pet visibility so they can stay calm while watching their surroundings. Inside, there's a padded mat on the base that adds both comfort and traction, so your furry friend isn't slipping around. That mat is also removable and washable, always a win for cleanliness. Build quality is solid. The zippers are genuine YKK, known in the industry for reliability. And the mesh panels are made from tough but breathable material, resistant to tears and snags. You can tell this carrier was designed with long-term use in mind. Whether you're dealing with a nervous cat or a wiggly puppy, the top-load access makes a huge difference. You can gently place your pet inside without forcing them through a small front opening. That's a major bonus if your pet tends to resist carriers, and let's be honest, most of them do. It's also extremely travel-friendly. Light enough to carry with ease, but strong enough to protect. And because of the flat base and balanced shape, it sits securely in your car, under an airline seat, or even on your lap. If you're a pet owner who wants the structure of a hard carrier, the storage convenience of a soft one, and premium details like quality zippers and thoughtful ventilation, this one checks all the boxes. We're giving this carrier a big thumbs up. Smart design, safe materials, and practical features all packed into one sleek, foldable package. Definitely one of the best investments for small pet owners. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what pet products you want us to review next. Until then, safe travels, for you and your pets.